Workers injured in February's Tuas building blast told the court that there were no safety briefings before their deployment to the site. They also heard boiling sounds coming from the mixer machine 2 to 3 days before the explosion. However, they didn't voice these concerns to their supervisors. On day 7 of the public hearings, the inquiry committee also heard about the extent of their injuries. The blast killed 3 people and left several others injured. Deborah Wong reports.
7 months after the explosion, Hossein Jitu still can't eat properly as he's unable to fully open his mouth, can't use his left hand, and there was still blood under his chin when he woke up earlier. Jitu suffered burns on 54% of his body. He was on the ground floor when the explosion happened. He told the court that just days before the incident, he heard boiling sounds coming from the mixer machine, half an hour after it was switched off. When questioned by the State Council why he didn't raise his concerns, Jitu said that he was just a general worker and so he shouldn't be complaining. He added that the ventilation in the workshop was insufficient as a layer of dust would still be visible even after cleaning. Jitu said that he's afraid that he might not recover fully from his injuries if he's to be sent back to Bangladesh before his follow-ups are completed. He appealed to the committee to look into this. Fellow worker Mullah Muhammad Yusuf shared a similar story. He said that at no point did the workers at the Tuas site receive any specific safety briefings. There was also no designated safety supervisor. Workers were not told what to wear. After an earlier fire, Yusuf felt that fire safety clothes and respirators were necessary. But newer workers like him were not issued these. He said his boss, Chua Singta, told them to put on face masks. Now that's despite Mr. Chua mentioning that they were working with fibers that could cause cancer. When questioned if he voiced his concerns, Yusuf said he didn't. He said the incident has affected him emotionally and he hasn't been able to sleep. He worries if he'll be able to work and live normally. Like Jitu, Yusuf also appealed to the committee, now this time to look into getting more financial help for the affected workers. The committee said it will refer the pleas to the Manpower Ministry. Another worker will take the stand on Wednesday.